Hello everyone. In today's lecture we will discuss about Hubble's ideas about the expansion of universe. Students, you know that in the previous lecture I have discussed about the Doppler shift and we also discussed about difference between the red shift and the blue shift. At the end of the last lecture I have told you that in the coming lecture we will discuss about the expansion of the universe and the idea was given by Hubble. The most well-known Doppler shift in astronomy triggered the ideas about the expansion of universe. In the early 1920s, an astronomer, Edwin Hubble, was working at the Mount Whitson Observatory in the USA. Here is the picture of this observatory. He was making measurements of the distances of the various nebula only to find that some, including what was then known as Andromeda Nebula, were far too distant to be a part of our own galaxy. Instead, these objects must be galaxies in their own right. This meant that Andromeda Nebula became known as Andromeda Galaxy. Here is the picture of Andromeda Galaxy. A law of the idea of multiple galaxies had been proposed as early as the mid 1700s. In 1929, Hubble continued these observations and found a relationship between the redshift of the galaxies. He found that the galaxies that are outside of our local group of galaxies have the redshift. Redshift means they are moving away from us. Not only is the light redshifted, he also saw that the farther away the galaxy is from us, the larger the change in wavelength or larger the redshift. If the change in wavelength is interpreted as Doppler shift due to the motion, the Hubble's observation suggests that galaxies appear to move away from us. Galaxies that are further from us are moving away from us at the fastest speed. Not only the galaxies are moving away from us, but they are also moving away from each other at the velocity that is given by Hubble's law, and Hubble's law states that V is equal to h into r, where h represents the Hubble's constant. Here is the picture of galaxies. This means that the universe is expanding. The description of the expansion of universe is called the Big Bang theory.